Hi guys, John, the firearms instructor. In this video, we're going to show you a student who's using the HTS system. You don't know what this is. This is an HTS dry fire insert, and it's available on our website. And what it does is you take a magazine out of your pistol, let's clear this, make sure it's unloaded, and you slide it in just like you do a bullet. And what it does is it stops the gun from going to slide lock. So when we're working on a dry fire sequence, we can actually bring the weapon, bring it to our sights, find our sights, and cut our targets, and keep the trigger nice, smooth, and back. Keep the trigger nice, smooth, and back. This dry fire insert is only $9.99. It is available in the links down below. We're going to watch a student right now use it. He came in this morning for his accuracy training, and we had him doing 5 dry fires and 5 live fires working on a target. I think you'll enjoy this. It gives a ability for you to see why this thing is so important. We actually gave him 2 magazines. He had one with this in it and one with 5 rounds in it. So he shot this and he shot that. My recommendation is to do this the first 20 rounds you're at the range. You're gonna get 40 trigger pulls on 20 rounds of ammo. Trigger is so important, we have to understand it. So give this dry fire insert a try. I think you'll like it. $9.99, shipped US for free. We don't do tracking on it because tracking costs so much, but we haven't had too many bad problems. We've had a couple get lost, but if they get lost, we just replace it for you for free. So it's not a big deal. You're not paying extra for it. But to keep our costs down and to keep your costs down, we didn't do tracking. Tracking would have made it almost $7 to ship a $9 product. Doesn't make sense. So if you want one, pick it up. It will increase your accuracy. It will make you a better shooter. And thank you very much for watching this video. Here comes a student, and then I'll come back at the end. 5 live and 5 dead. So you're gonna do 5 dead shots here, okay? Do you see that bobble? Take your time. Take your time. Press that trigger. That was a bobble. Don't slam it. Just press it. Nice, smooth trigger press back. There we go, good. Dry fire inserts helping him understand his trigger. All right, give me a few more. You see how that's getting a little slappy there? What? Slowly press the trigger. There we go, buddy. That's better.
Cheating.
Huh?
That's cheating.
No, it isn't. We can cheat. There we go. That's better. With the dry fire insert, what it does, it gives him the ability to rack his slide, get a full trigger press, get a good grip, draw on his chest, get the feel. All right, take that magazine out and put your 5 bullets in. And let's do that same drill. Give me 5 shots, 6 o'clock hold. All right. There we go, to get a good grip. Smooth trigger press. Take your time. There we go, buddy. Nice. Nice. Good. Nice. Slide lock. Mag out. Bring your target forward. Let's take a look at that. There we go, dropped a few, no big deal. That's part of the deal. Nice. Well, as you can see, when he's using the HTS system and pressing a trigger and not pulling a trigger, look at those groups. If you want to learn more about this or you want to join the HTS school community, there's a link down below. We give you free access to it, costs you nothing, and you get the 4-week masterclass. 4 weeks, master your handgun in 4 weeks. It's a webinar style class. There's videos, there's books. You get a free ebook with it. And it's something that there are about almost 400 students right now. And we're looking people like you. My name's John, the Firearms Instructor on YouTube. And I'm here to help you as much as possible. Thank you very much for watching this video. Until next time, God bless, be safe, and remember, you are your first line defense. We'll see you, folks.